Have you ever looked at a lion and thought, what do they call this in Arabic? Or seen a cute little cat and wondered, how do I say this in Arabic? You're about to find out, and not just one or two, but a full list of animal names in Arabic spoken with heart and explained in simple words. Trust me, once you hear them, you'll start using them without even trying. It's that easy and that fun. So don't skip a second. Watch this video till the very end, because learning Arabic just got a whole lot more exciting. Let's begin. Let's start learning the names of animals in Arabic. Simple, fun, and clear. Here we go. Asad means lion, the king of the jungle, strong, brave, and majestic. In Arabic, we call it asad. Namir, that's tiger, fast, powerful, and silent. This word sounds sharp, just like the animal itself. Namir. Fīl means elephant, big, gentle, and wise. One of the easiest words to remember. Fīl. Zarafa, that's giraffe, tall, elegant, and calm. In Arabic, it's called zarafa. Dub means bear, strong and cuddly, but also fierce in the wild. We say dub in Arabic. Qiṭṭun means cat, soft, friendly, and found in so many homes. The Arabic word is qiṭ. Kalb, that's dog, loyal and loving, always happy to see you. In Arabic, kalb. Arnab means rabbit, quick, cute, and always hopping around. Say arnab when you see one. Baqara, that's cow, calm and helpful, gives us milk. In Arabic, it's baqara. Himar means donkey, hardworking, patient, and strong. Arabic word is himar. Fahd, that's cheetah, the fastest animal on land, just like lightning. In Arabic, it's fahd. Thu'ban means snake, silent, smooth, and sometimes scary. We call it thu'ban in Arabic. Faras al-Bahr, that means hippopotamus. Literally, it means horse of the sea, but it's our big, water-loving friend. In Arabic, Faras al-Bahr. Timsah, that's crocodile, tough skin, sharp teeth, found in rivers. We say timsah. Dolphin means dolphin, friendly, smart, and playful in the sea. The good news is it's the same in Arabic. Dolphin. Namla, that's ant, tiny but incredibly strong. Arabic word is namla. Batta means duck. Quack quack, swims in ponds. In Arabic, we say batta. Dhi'ib, that's wolf, wild, clever, and mysterious. Arabic word is dhi'ib.
You did it! You just learned 18 animal names in Arabic, and that's something to be proud of. Learning a new language doesn't have to be hard or boring. Step by step, word by word, you're getting better every day. So now, tell me in the comments, which animal name was your favorite? Was it Asad, the lion, or maybe Fīl, the elephant? Let me know. I read every single comment. If you enjoyed this, don't keep it to yourself. Click the like button,
subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new Arabic lesson. And yes, if you want more fun videos like this, just click the link below where it says Arabic Learners Online. It'll take you straight to our full Arabic vocabulary playlist. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video, inshallah. Ma salama. Goodbye.